Hey everybody, how's it going? Monkey Gamer back here again. Now firstly I have to make two apologies. One for Monday, one for Tuesday. I know I said with the GameCon it's going to be Monday to Friday where I'll try to upload 3 videos a day, and Monday I got 1 video up, Tuesday I didn't get any, but there's a good reason for it. I got pretty badly sick Monday afternoon and couldn't do anything over the next couple of days. So I know I missed out on about 5 videos, I think. So I'm going to do 4 today, 4 tomorrow, and then 3 on Saturday just to make up for it. Now the same thing will probably happen, like the whole GameCon will probably happen next year, and if the same thing happens again I will probably extend it through to Saturday, but this is just in case I get sick. But anyway, back to the game. Slime Rancher. A lot of you people have seen it, a lot of people love it. I love it as well because it is the most cute thing ever. I mean, look at this, they are just so happy. Now, a couple things. I've played this a little bit and I wasn't sure if I wanted to upload it, but it's so fun and so cute that I kind of have to. And I've actually seen other YouTubers play it, so people like Jacksepticeye, Markiplier. And now, I'm not saying I'm copying them, so if you put that in the comments below, shut up. I'm playing this because I want to, it looks fun, and I'm sure anyone will enjoy it. We're gonna go to new game, and yeah, that looks good. May drop frames here and there, not sure, yeah, there we go, it's dropping frames already. So peaceful. I look at it. Get it? And we're frozen already. God damn it. Ah. Yeah, so if there's a lot of moments where it does that, you're so fucking cute. You guys go in here for now.
Oh, the chickens! Oh, look at it! Oh, it's so cute!
I like the chickadoos and all this. Freaking cute. Look at that icon! What's your icon? It looks so dirty. Am I a chicken? That is seriously what I think it's saying half the time. Anyway, let's go and explore. I'm definitely going to need upgrades quickly. Look, more pink slimes. I don't give a shit about slimes that are pink. Carrots. Here, take that. Come here, you slimy bastards. What's all your plots? Oh yeah, no, alright, this is something you need a bit more of a vocabulary for. Wow. I still want them to update it, because what's the update? Gold slime poop! Oh my god! How the fuck did I just come across this? I haven't even played it that long. Well, I mean, in my test game, I came across gold slime twice and got some gold quartz off it, but just finding one sitting there in the middle of nowhere, I mean, holy shit. It's just insane amounts of luck. And I'm probably just gonna go cash it in before I die a horrible, horrible death. Because, yeah, in the test game I died a lot. And I'm not even kidding. That's a little bar meter. Oh, okay, so if I switch to this one, oh, that's cool. Never noticed that before. So this one's your power, and the one below it is how full it is. Wait, really? It's only 200? Jeez, half the time I see it, it's like 400. Gold plot. Yeah, let's just get an upgrade. Jetpack is pretty useful, but I'm thinking tank booster. Wait, can I still get jetpack? I don't want you to become Largos yet, I can't sustain that. Just boom! Damn! Didn't work. Okay, Blamby. Eat the fruit! Yeah! See how good I am with livestock. I just fire food at them until they eat it. Now eat the food. Good, slimy, now poop out the floor. My floor. Thank you. Yeah, those guys are probably going to be going pretty quick, just saying. So, we got the pink reports, which are worth fuck all. Might get a rock slime and a tabby slime. The combo of that. But then I do like the honey slimes and the puddle slimes, that will come to later. And the boom slimes. Now that's the rad slime. If I remember correctly, you can't access it properly now unless you use cheat codes. But in update 3.0, I think, they're introducing it. I read the website, so hey. And when it does update, I'm definitely making another video because I want to show you guys the rad slime. And I highly think that rad slime was kind of influenced by Fallout. I mean, because Fallout, when you get exposed to radiation, it's called rads. Also, another thing to note, give me your fucking blot. It's just like the description that I read of it. I was just like, shit, this is basically a Fallout slime. Especially because it gives you radiation. And there's pink lardo that I need to explode. I need more food for it. No, wait, no, not lardo, gordo. Hello, Rocky. Yeah, I'm gonna call these guys Rockies from now on. Except they're not Sylvester Stallone, so hell. Ooh, box. My box. Smash. Carrot. Fuck off, one. Ah, you're a dick. Lucky's fine. Whoa! Okay, Dick is just really peaceful. And Elliot. Thanks for the fruit, dudes. Aw, nuts. Has anyone seen any more rocks around here? Rock slimes? Yeah. I hope. That's not guitar music, is it? I hate those guys. I remember this way. Time to jump right, I can get over there, which is behind a wall. Do I do it? Fuck, I'll do it.
Wait!
Oh. Shit, we're over this side. Not a good place to be. Make like a Zoidberg and get the fuck out of there. Hi, chicken. Forgot about these rock dudes. Holy shit. Nope, 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 nope. Guys are assholes. What do we got? Stony Hen, Heartbeat, and frig. I'm just gonna have to do this. One of the more annoying things, you lose all your shit. Box. And hey! A rock song and a key berry. Sweet. Give me your fruit. Probably gonna do a garden thing. Go the Q berries because I seem to like those. Alright, this thing only has 4 tanks. What I actually like to see in a later update is, excuse me, not just like increase the amount you can have in a tank, but increase the number of tanks you have. I mean, that would be awesome because it would allow you to do so much more in a probably hopefully much more full game when it updates. Screw you. These friggin' Lagos just piss me off. Ooh, another box. Smash! Hello, Rocky. If you're wondering where the entrance to that thing was, it's just back here, but the actual barricade is over there. Anyway, what do we got over here? On the tree. Yeah, chickens. Chickens. A lot of tabbies. I'll come back for you guys. More chickens? I can jump over here. Parkour. I always wondered what is in there, but I will come back when I don't have anything. The Tabby Gordo! That's right. It's a hollow. Wait, these things? Oh no, wait, this is the boss for danger area, so they only come out at night. I'm sweet. Ooh, Q berries. Friggin' ranch. And from the looks of this thing, I think they're not only expanding current land you can explore, but also the slime world, because from looks of the plot exchange, as well as the Wikipedia page, yes, there is a Wikipedia page, I find it quite useful to know some stuff. There is quite a few that aren't released yet and will probably not be released until the full game. Another pogo fruit, damn. And I honestly want to know what some of them are, because just the amount of spaces that there are on the plot exchange is quite large, so maybe we're looking at something like you go to another place, there's more slimes, there's more plots. Not like in the current area you can explore, but on the Slime Rancher world, which I honestly don't remember the name of. Good job, me. I'll probably remember it in a bit. But yeah, I mean, if they do that, that'd be quite cool, because we'd get to see a much varied, or much more varied, gameplay style. And I honestly think it would be interesting to see a thing where you can not only travel this pretty large area you already have, but go over to a another new area straight after. Sort of like with Pokemon Gold and Silver, or Heart Gold Soul Silver, depending on which ones you played, how once you beat the Elite Four and the champion in your region, you get to go to a new one, which... motherfuckers got out. Which gives you more opportunities to see and experience new things. I mean, something like that would be kind of cool. Now, excuse me, I am going to sacrifice these slimes to Poseidon. Poseidon! Eat the slimes! I know a lot of you are probably going to hate me for doing that, but hey, they're pink slimes. They're kind of assholes. Eat. Garden. Shit. Wait, you guys, make plots. Make me plots. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. And plot. Ah. Oh yeah, I'm getting pile slimes. Those guys are assholes. See, all good things come to those who wait. Wait, seriously? Honey boom? I wonder what a boom rat would be like. That sounds kind of cool. When that comes out, or if I feel like using the cheat codes, I'm definitely going to do that combination. Actually, if I do want to do the cheat code, I'll have to look it up, but I don't want to. If you guys want me to do the cheat code, I'll just leave it open to debate in the description. 3 tab plots and 7 carrots for all that. Yeah. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's see. 4 more carrots, and then 3 tabby blocks.
Ah,
Carrots! Slimes are assholes. Oh, don't need your block. Oh, carrots. Fuck off, pink slime. And there's one of the tar. Fuck off! I said, fuck off. Hey, Rockies. But listen to that. Oh, Jesus, I'm not bothering. Running. Running. Shit. Oh. Hello, slimies. The only reason I don't like the starting area is because there are so many goddamn pink slimes. Like, seriously, if you have a ratio of pinks to every other kind of slime, they are heavily outnumbering the rest.
oh,
Ah, fuck off, bullets. Yeah, this one.
wait.
Let's see what I can do in terms of a garden. Wow, what the fuck were these pink blocks in the pump? Right, the one that escaped. Let's see if I can. Kobe! Damn. Kobe! Yeah, got that time. Got him. Nutrients, all sprinkler, scarce line. What else could I do around here? Well, I know one thing I'm going to do is I am going to have a look into the what was it? The Pink Gordo, because I want to get his key so I can go into the next area. For now, I'm going to end this episode here. I'm this Monkey Gamer, signing out. Catch you guys next time.